How to convert Editor X to Wix Studio. So as you can see right here, I have in here this particular site and it's currently into the Wix Studio. So as you can see right here into this particular article, just this year on the beginning of January 2025, Editor X has completed the transition to Wix Studio, which is actually their new platform. This means that all Editor X sites created in the past were updated to the new Studio Editor without affecting their live performance. So it will be automatically updated through that way, and you do not need to convert your Editor X site to X Studio site. Now, if you're actually wondering if you can still create new sites on Editor X, it says that it's no longer possible to create new Editor X sites. So when you head over right here into your Wix setup, you can click onto this your site and create a new site, and it will automatically show up right here this built on Wix Studio option that we can see right there. So that's how you convert Editor X to Wix Studio. Hope we helped.